In this video, we will highlight 10 AI, DePin and GPU crypto altcoins that have the potential to 50 to 300x next bull run. The potential of DePin, AI and GPU altcoins is vast and promising. DePin projects have attracted significant attention due to their ability to foster a more transparent and verifiable network. As per Binance, we can anticipate a surge in DePin projects as the sector continues to grow. This prediction stems from DePin projects' potential to scale more efficiently than centralized networks, making them exceptionally promising. In the field of AI and GPU advancements, Nvidia is a global leader. Nvidia's founder and CEO, Jensen Huang, introduced the company's new Blackwell computing platform, emphasizing the significant advancements that increased computing power can bring to software, robotics, medical technology, and more. The company is expected to continue exceeding expectations and raising its guidance, which will likely lead to a continued increase in Nvidia's stock. This will positively influence AI, DePin, and GPU-related altcoins. Do you want more crypto insights and a fresh perspective on the newest altcoins? Subscribe to my newsletter for free. See the link above or in the description. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight called DeepLink. Although the project's token hasn't launched yet, we believe this project has significant potential. It merges AI, DePin, and GameFi, three narratives that are currently trending. The platform effectively combines AI mechanisms, DePin, and the gaming sector within its decentralized gaming cloud. DeepLink is a dynamic platform that delivers high-speed access to top-notch blockchain games and applications. Similar to its Web 2.0 counterparts, it utilizes advanced technology to provide an exceptional gaming experience. It manages to do this while incorporating complex features of blockchain and decentralization, offering ultra-low latency, 8K resolution, a 244 Hz refresh rate, and 24/7 operation. Even on older hardware, users can expect high-quality gameplay. No other blockchain platform, not even Nvidia, offers these features. But DeepLink is not just for gaming. It's also a useful tool for productivity applications that require significant computing power and speed. To learn more about DeepLink, visit their official website, which I've linked in the video description below. The team is actively expanding their offerings beyond cloud games, including developing portable consoles and proprietary software. They also host cloud-based internet cafes to boost gaming connection speeds without reliance on local hosts. These internet cafes are popular, particularly in Asia and India, with companies like Hycons, GlowSteam, and others investing in their development. Blocksafu has audited the platform, affirming its reliability. DeepLink offers a desktop application accessible from the website's main menu, providing access to the project's game catalog and enabling users to create personal accounts for saving game progress. Currently, the platform boasts over 100,000 active users and operates in over 100 countries, with more than 500,000 gamers interacting with it. The team has ambitious plans, expecting the user base to reach 1 million by Q2 of this year, and to open 10 more internet cafes in Q3. By the end of the year, they aim to double the user base and extend their software to Android, iOS, and Vision Pro. To gain more insights into the latest games and offerings from DeepLink, it is advised to follow their official Twitter account. This platform not only provides updates about their exciting games, but also shares timely updates about their collaborations with several organizations, such as Marina Protocol, Foreverland, Funta, among others. The entire DeepLink ecosystem is powered by the DeepLink coin, DLC, which is the utility token of the project. This token is used for a variety of purposes including advanced hosting, software integration, and a host of other services, which makes it integral to the project's operation. There is an upcoming token pre-sale event, where the DLC will be offered at an attractive price. If this piques your interest, it is strongly recommended that you complete your KYC verification before making any purchases of DLC tokens. This will help expedite the process when the pre-sale begins. The first sale starts June 5th, and those who participate in the first sale will qualify for an exclusive 20% DLC giveaway. For real-time updates on the pre-sale and announcements about its commencement, you can follow the project's social media channels. These include Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. These platforms will provide you with the most recent and accurate information. In addition to the DLC, the project also employs the use of an altcoin, DBC, specifically for rental transactions. This coin is a part of Deep Brain Chain, an AI-based computing network that is known for its innovative approach in the field. With a user base that exceeds 500,000 people worldwide, and an ecosystem that seamlessly combines DePin, AI, and gaming, DeepLink has positioned itself as a unique entity within the blockchain industry. In conclusion, DeepLink is a project that deserves your attention. Its innovative approach, coupled with the potential market size it targets, make it a promising venture for those considering early involvement. Our second altcoin we would like to highlight is an AI project called Netmind AI. In the exciting intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, the Netmind token, NMT, is a transformative force, revolutionizing how enthusiasts access key computational power. The combination of AI and cryptocurrency has introduced a new wave of possibilities. NMT is more than just a digital currency. It serves as a bridge to a world where computational power can be effortlessly accessed through blockchain technology. NMT's tokenomics is strategically designed. With 10 billion tokens securely stored in a smart contract, NMT uses a careful distribution plan, ensuring a controlled release that maintains token value and supports the sustainable growth of the Netmind ecosystem. NMT's utility lies in its function as the native currency for transactions within the Netmind chain ecosystem. Users can explore a range of AI services, using NMT to overcome traditional financial limitations. The token becomes a portal to a multitude of AI advancements, fostering a setting where innovation has no limits. NMT doesn't just have transactional utility. It also rewards users who provide their idle GPU resources to the network. This interactive engagement model converts users into active contributors, fostering a thriving community that benefits from shared progress. Netmind token democratizes access to AI resources. As users trade and stake NMT, the token ensures that advanced AI technologies are not just available to a select few, but to a wider audience. Built on the foundation of blockchain, NMT prioritizes security and transparency. Smart contracts create a complex network of tamper-resistant and verifiable transaction records, giving users confidence in the legitimacy and fairness of the Netmind network. Netmind token is the lifeblood of the Netmind chain ecosystem, transforming it into a dynamic hub of innovation. In conclusion, NMT is not just another addition to the growing list of cryptocurrencies. It provides access to unparalleled computing power that was previously unattainable for many. By ingeniously linking the fields of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, NMT carves out its unique niche. NMT currently has a market cap of 300 million. We think that NMT will reach a market cap of at least 30 billion in the future. That is a nice 100x from here. Wondering where to purchase these altcoins? I recommend Bybit as my exchange of choice. Bybit is a top 3 crypto exchange by volume, with 20 million users, established in 2018. Sign up now and get up to $30,000 deposit bonus. See the link above or in the description. AI project number 3 in this video, and also our favorite smaller AI project, is called DAI by 01 Labs. 01 is a decentralized artificial intelligence ecosystem with a focus on data governance. They have developed a comprehensive DAI product suite, featuring a secure, modular, and interconnected platform for DAI tools and apps. Together with their 01 construct program and proprietary cipher chain, this suite forms a resilient flywheel, fueling the forthcoming DAI revolution with momentum. Their mission is to simplify the development process and enhance the discoverability, growth, and monetization of DAI products, while ensuring user data remains in the hands of its rightful owners, the users. At DAI, they believe that AI combined with blockchain technology is poised to become the largest vertical in the markets. Blockchain-based tokens will serve as the native digital currency, enabling AI systems to transact. DAI aims to promote the development and expansion of decentralized AI dApps. This objective is divided into 3 primary areas: establishing a sturdy infrastructure that enables creators to contribute, train and host AI applications, tools, and models; facilitating the financial incentivization of open AI networks through crypto economics; and providing a resilient, decentralized infrastructure for the operation of dApps. 01 emphasizes 3 fundamental concepts for decentralized AI, namely data governance, decentralized node infrastructure, and AI tooling. Decentralization enhances data sharing across diverse datasets and fosters shared AI models for improved accuracy and performance. It also encourages decentralized model training for efficiency and privacy, creating new revenue streams for data providers. The creation of a distributed network of nodes improves security and scalability, while the focus lies in developing decentralized, globally accessible tools free of charge. The primary goal is to create an open-access, decentralized toolkit for AI. This strategy democratizes AI development by offering free access to advanced tools and resources. Under the Zero Economic Framework, users are able to stake DAI while offering staking rewards and the opportunity to participate in lock drops to obtain ecosystem incentives. Adopting a strategy similar to that of Celestia, holders of the DAI token will be given precedence for early participation in 3 forthcoming Zero Construct Program project launches that are currently under wraps. In conclusion, DAI is emerging as a significant player in the AI space that keeps building and expanding, mounting a challenge to BitTensor's dominance. DAI currently has a market cap of 60 million. This project has a promising future and it can reach a market cap of at least 20 billion during a bull run. That is an astonishing 333x from here. Project number 4 is called Node AI and combines AI, DePin, and GPU. Node AI is a transformative platform in the fast-paced world of AI and machine learning. It democratizes access to essential GPU and AI resources, promoting seamless participation, contribution, and benefit sharing within the AI sector. This platform ensures a transparent and secure ecosystem for all users. Node AI's offerings include a dedicated token, GPU, that allows users to stake and earn a portion of the revenue generated across its ecosystem. Businesses and individuals can rent AI servers equipped with powerful GPU capabilities for specific use cases, thanks to the platform's transparent pricing and monthly fees. Moreover, GPU owners can lend their idle hardware to others and earn GPU tokens in return, effectively turning inactive resources into a passive income stream. Node AI also offers on-demand AI servers for hourly use, catering to sporadic AI processing needs efficiently. The platform provides various API endpoints tailored for AI applications like image and video processing, designed for easy system integration. Users can also stake their holdings to earn rewards in Ethereum, adding another layer of financial benefit. With a structured 3-stage roadmap, Node AI is poised to leverage the growing AI trend. It plans to expand its GPU server offerings, enhance AI trading tools, and launch enterprise API endpoints. The Node AI team, with backgrounds in tech, finance, and AI research, have dedicated themselves to this decentralized GPU lending platform. They share a vision of innovation, accessibility, and efficiency in AI computational resources. Finally, Node AI introduces a fair revenue sharing model. This model ensures that platform participants are not just users, but also beneficiaries of its success. Users who stake GPU tokens earn passive income from the platform's revenue, fostering a transparent and community-empowering environment. Node AI is a pioneering decentralized platform that provides seamless access to GPU and AI resources. It utilizes blockchain technology to establish a transparent and secure ecosystem. Here, users can rent AI nodes, lend GPU power, stake tokens for revenue, and incorporate AI features into their processes. GPU currently has a market cap of 100 million. We think that GPU will reach a market cap of at least 8 billion in the future. That is a solid 80x from here. As our 5th project, we would like to highlight an AI project called Spectral. Machine learning models, especially those applied in critical production settings, are typically designed and developed by a handful of large, centralized entities using complex and proprietary techniques. AI agents, which are essentially automated codes that perform tasks on our behalf, have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Pioneering AI innovators such as OpenAI have already made significant progress in this regard, laying the groundwork for the creation of agent marketplaces. In the context of Web3, AI agents can provide a considerable boost to the speed and overall user experience of on-chain operations. The decentralized ethos that underpins Web3 stands in stark contrast to the concept of centralized marketplaces, that currently dominate the creation and operation of on-chain agents. Enter Spectral, an innovative solution that seeks to reconcile these seemingly contradictory elements by bridging the divide between AI, machine learning, and blockchain technologies. Its suite of products enables users to create on-chain agents that operate based on transparent, open-source knowledge bases and inferences. These agents utilize a common provenance layer, aptly named the infrachain, thereby ensuring transparency and accountability in their operations. Spectral offers two distinct products, Spectral Syntax and Spectral Nova. The former is a network of on-chain agents that enables users to create their own on-chain agents using a Solidity copilot. It understands natural language intents and turns them into code-based agent instructions. Users can create and monetize their own agents or use the community-created agents to perform their daily Web3 tasks. On the other hand, Spectral Nova is a machine intelligence network that provides decentralized ML inferences directly to smart contracts. It encourages top data scientists and ML engineers to build models that output inference feeds to solve predictive and machine intelligence problems for Web3 applications. The agents created on the Spectral Syntax network and the various inference feeds they consume from the Spectral Nova network will be integrated through the infrachain. Spectral envisions the infrachain as the future of agent-to-agent communication, promoting transparency, decentralization, and performance verification for AI's application in the Web3 space. Spectral currently has a market cap of 30 million. We believe that Spectral has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 6 billion in the future. That is a crazy 200x from here. As our sixth project, we would like to highlight Akash, which is a DePin and AI project. Akash is an open-source, decentralized cloud computing platform developed using the Cosmos Software Development Kit, SDK, and implemented on the Cosmos blockchain. It allows for the deployment of any cloud-native application, enhancing price performance and scalability for decentralized applications and organizations within its network. Akash is compatible with many extant cloud applications, enabling businesses to engage in the decentralized cloud computing market. By distributing underutilized cloud capacity, Akash provides more efficient and cost-effective cloud computing services compared to centralized alternatives. The network, due to its commitment to open-source technology, is claimed to be significantly cheaper than existing centralized cloud computing providers. AKT, the native token of the Akash network, is used for network governance and security, value storage and exchange, and incentivizing network participation. Akash serves as a decentralized cloud computing marketplace that reallocates unused computing processing power to customers in need. Its supercloud connects clients with providers through a transparent, distributed leasing service, while preserving the advantages of decentralized computation via the Akash blockchain. The protocol's flexibility allows for provider transitions, offering performance benefits from global deployments. Computer resources are virtualized and split into containerized applications, referred to as containers. These are leased to tenants, who purchase cloud services on the network. Providers bid on these requests after validation, with the lowest bid winning the lease. This process incentivizes all market participants to use the network. Providers profit from their idle resources, while tenants benefit from lower costs. All marketplace transactions occur on the Akash blockchain. The Akash blockchain uses a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism for security. The network relies on a system of validators and delegators. Validators commit new blocks to the blockchain through a voting process, using tokens staked by delegators. Delegators stake their tokens to their chosen validators based on publicly available information. The protocol also uses a Tendermint algorithm for enhanced speed and scalability. With its transparent and permissionless process, Akash proudly stands as the first open-source decentralized cloud platform in the industry. This revolutionary platform breaks the conventional boundaries of cloud computing by promoting transparency and granting permissionless access to all its users. By being open source, Akash ensures that the platform is continuously improved by a community of developers, thus enhancing the overall user experience and functionality. The decentralized nature of the platform ensures the secure and efficient use of resources, making Akash a trailblazer in the realm of cloud computing. Akash currently has a market cap of 1.2 billion. We predict that Akash will have a market cap of at least 60 billion in a bull run. That is a solid 50x from here. As our seventh project of this video, we would like to highlight GraphLink. GLQ is a no-code protocol designed for blockchain development. It operates automatically, executing actions in response to triggered events. Essentially, GLQ utilizes its engine and an integrated development environment to offer automated services. To deploy a graph, users have to import any template or GLQ file using the IDE tool. The graph can then be run on the network using the engine tool. GLQ also enables users to access ticks and current statistics on centralized exchanges and DeFi applications. All information acquired from applications and blockchain connections is securely stored in the engine database as a safety measure. The GraphLink ecosystem consists of two primary components: the GraphLink chain and the GraphLink protocol. The GraphLink protocol, an automated process management solution, simplifies the deployment and management of various automation types, even for users without coding skills. This protocol encompasses four key components: the IDE, the app, the engine, and the marketplace. The GraphLink Integrated Development Environment, IDE, enables users to create automation through a drag-and-drop interface. It visually represents the automation process and allows users to connect different nodes to create complex automation. The GraphLink app is a user-friendly interface for accessing pre-made automation templates and deploying them with a few clicks. Users can customize these templates by updating variables and deploying the automation directly from the app. The GraphLink engine, the protocol's core component, executes automation securely and accurately. Operating on the GraphLink chain, the engine is responsible for correctly processing all data. The GraphLink Marketplace is a platform for users to trade GLQ templates and other automation types. The GraphLink chain, a blockchain designed specifically to support the GraphLink protocol, is a proof-of-authority blockchain that offers a secure and scalable platform for automation. In the future, GraphLink intends to expand its ecosystem and create a platform for more decentralized applications to operate on its chain. GLQ currently has a market cap of 30 million. A market cap of 6 billion is doable in a bull run and is a crazy 200x from here. As our 8 AI and DePin project, we would like to highlight Render. From animated movies and online gaming to the crypto metaverse, most forms of digital entertainment heavily depend on motion graphics and three-dimensional visual effects. Industrial applications of 3D graphics range from product prototyping and simulation to scientific and architectural visualization. As the demand for immersive digital worlds grows, so does the need for complex computations. The Render token is designed to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry. By leveraging blockchain, Render provides an efficient and secure way for creators to access powerful computers for complex rendering tasks. Essentially, anyone can join the Render network to create or rent out computational resources, accelerating the rendering process. Render serves as a bridge between creatives and Render nodes, a distributed network of powerful computers, promoting faster, easier, and more secure rendering. Render also enables crowdsourcing of 3D projects and digital asset trading, creating an accessible ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas. Render tokens' GPU-powered renders are applicable not only to film production but also to video game design, VR experiences, and more, enabling the media sector to produce high-quality visuals quickly. Apart from encouraging people to join the network, Render tokens can be used to purchase computing resources. The Render network is a self-sustaining, mutually beneficial ecosystem. By contributing their computing resources and purchasing additional ones with Render tokens, users are rewarded, incentivizing them to retain their tokens as their value increases with demand. The token reward system implemented within the Render network promotes a healthy, thriving ecosystem. This incentivization approach not only encourages existing users to invest further in the growth and success of the network, but it also attracts new users by creating a dynamic and rewarding environment. This enhanced level of security, trust, and transparency is not just a benefit, but a necessity for the Render network's continued growth and prosperity. As the network expands and evolves, these elements will remain central to its operation, ensuring the Render network remains a reliable and attractive platform for users. This, ultimately, maintains the network's competitive edge and ensures its longevity in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Render currently has a market cap of 3.8 billion. Render is one of the best projects in the AI space, and we think that a market cap of 80 billion is possible in a bull run. that is roughly a 21x from here. In the number 9 slot, we have a place reserved for a project called GamerCoin, which is a mix of AI, DePin, and gaming. GamerHash is an app that enables users to share their computing power and earn rewards by simply running the software in the background. They have introduced an innovative feature known as Play and Earn. This feature offers users an opportunity to earn rewards while simultaneously learning about blockchain technology. It's an attractive proposition for those who want to merge their interests in gaming and emerging technological trends. In addition to providing a learning platform, the GamerHash store presents a cost-effective way for users to access the latest games and digital products. This makes it an invaluable resource, particularly for those who are always on the lookout for the newest releases in the gaming world. Furthermore, the potential of the platform as an educational resource is undeniable, making it an attractive option for those who are eager to understand more about blockchain technology. However, GamerHash offers more than just the play and earn feature. Since the beginning of this year, the company has rolled out a completely new service to its user base. Dubbed GamerHash AI, this service expertly bridges the worlds of gaming, crypto, and artificial intelligence. The essence of gaming transcends traditional boundaries, allowing users to revel in their favorite games while simultaneously earning in the background. This integration of gaming and earning represents a significant shift in how gamers interact with their personal computers and the wider gaming ecosystem. What's more, it introduces gamers to the Web3 world, given that the GamerHash platform is run by the GHX token. The model that GamerHash uses is simple but effective. They provide the distributed computational power for AI-related tasks, and in return, partners bring the rewards for users' shared GPU power. This synergy is not only innovative, but also incredibly efficient, marking a new era in the gaming and blockchain industries. By leveraging AI technology through DePin and embracing GameFi in a variety of ways, GamerHash's narrative for this bull market can surely be explosive. This combination of AI, blockchain, and gaming is a revolutionary approach, and it is likely to make significant waves in the market. GHX currently has a market cap of 80 million. A market cap of 15 billion is doable in a bull run, and is a crazy 187x from here. As our final project, we would like to highlight a project that fits the AI, DePin, RWA, and Layer 1 narratives, called Origin Trail. Origin Trail is a platform that uses both a blockchain and a technology called a decentralized knowledge graph, DKG, to manage data about real-world assets in the digital space. The design of its ecosystem is to improve the discoverability of important, shared knowledge across the world. Origin Trail was initially conceived as a solution to integrate the advanced capabilities of blockchain technology into the realm of supply chain logistics. The primary objective was to establish a reliable, decentralized hub for supply chain management where customers, manufacturers, and suppliers could share critical data and track the entire product journey securely and transparently. As the project evolved, the scope of Origin Trail expanded beyond supply chain logistics to include the digitization of any real-world asset. Consequently, Origin Trail now incorporates features that are reminiscent of other crypto projects such as VeChain, which is heavily focused on supply chain logistics, and Centrifuge, which is known for its work in the field of RWA tokenization. In addition to these features, the platform also addresses the prevalent issue of misinformation by meticulously verifying the source of all information before it is made available to users, thereby ensuring the integrity and accuracy of the data. In terms familiar to those in the crypto industry, the underlying blockchain of Origin Trail serves as its Layer 1, while the decentralized knowledge graph functions as its Layer 2. This unique combination effectively harnesses the trustless and verifiable nature of blockchain technology, with the robust data representation capabilities of a DKG, to create a complex yet logical and functional system. The data representation includes the origin of the data, which is critical for ensuring transparency and trust. Looking towards the future, Origin Trail is continually evolving to include artificial intelligence in its data management processes to further enhance its capabilities. The team behind the project is also proactively working on scaling its operations to cater to a larger user base and handle more data. Finally, the Trace token, TRAC, which serves as Origin Trail's utility token, is used for multiple purposes within the platform. Users can stake TRAC tokens, pay for the publication of data known as knowledge assets, and set collateral on the DKG network nodes. Track currently has a market cap of 350 million. We predict that Track will have a market cap of at least 25 billion in the future. That is a 71x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.